Hi friends, myself Narmada. Today we are going to see OLE DB Command Transformation in SSIS. Today agenda, what is OLE DB Command Transformation in SSIS? How to use OLE DB Command Transformation in SSIS. OLE DB Command Transformation in SSIS used to run the SQL statement like insert, update, delete statement in the data flow. Like how we will do in the SQL server, right? Same thing we can do by using OLEDB command transformation. It's read one command at a time. Okay, so the performance will be very poor if the number of rows get increased. For example, you are having 1,000 records means 1,000 times the data flow task will run, so it will read data one by one. So it will be give poor performance. Guys, if you have very less number of rows in the table, then you can choose this OLEDB command transformation. But you are having millions, trillions of record. So and also you can see like some kind of performance issue. Then during that time, you don't use this OLEDB command. Instead of you can choose alternative approach kind of you can use destination OLEDB destination, right? So those you can use it. But if the table is very big, then don't prefer this command. Okay. So in the demo, we will be using the CSV file as a source and we performing the below two actions. Okay. So the inserting the record to the SQL Server table and updating the record to the SQL Server table. So here if you see I am having CSV file in my local drive. I am going to load that to SQL Server by using OLED command. Okay. Then later on I will showcase how you can update by using OLED command. How I can update the rows in the SQL Server table by using OLED command. Okay, there are two things we are going to see. One is insert via OLED command. Another one is update via OLED command. Let's begin. I am opening Visual Studio, creating new SSIS package, renaming package, drag and drop data flow task. Double click this, define the source flat file source because we are going to bring CSV file data. Define the connection manager. Browse and pick the CSV file from your local. Columns names in the first data row because our CSV file having headers. You could see here. Click OK. OK. Now define the OLEDB command, correct? OLEDB command. Now you can flow the connection from flat file source to OLEDB command. Double click OLEDB command. Here just try to choose connection manager. You could see only flat file connection manager. But right now what we are going to do, we are going to load data to the SQL server. So then you have to create the OLEDB connection string first. Then only here in the pop-up it will be shown. Okay. So I'm just closing this and coming here and creating new OLEDB connection to connect the SQL server. So this is the connection string I already created. If you want, then go and create by clicking new. Okay. If you want to create, you just need to create by clicking new tab. Click OK. Now click again OLEDB command. Go connection manager and check this. It's appearing right now. So here in this component properties, define the SQL command. I am going to insert the records into this table. Okay, this is the table. Right now there is no record. I am going to use this table. So there are around 5 columns present in this table. So in the CSV file also, if you see, there are 5. So these are all the 5 columns data we are going to load to the SQL server. So you have to define 5 question mark. Okay. For these five, we will be pass respective parameter on column mappings. Okay. So you don't worry. Right now we are giving five question marks. Okay. Now go column mapping. Okay, it's saying incorrect syntax. Just a close, open and close bracket you need to give. Okay. Now just come here. Number of columns names or number of supply does not match with the table definition, right? So just verify how many we given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Verify once how many columns there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one it was missed. Then put comma, again give one more thing. This is the way you have to analyze guys if there is any error. Now you could see parameters properly aligned, correct? Now you have to define the mapping. Okay, the first ID, it should be parameter 0, correct? This is the first column name, right? The second one first name. That need to be go parameter 1. And this is parameter 2. Email ID, parameter 3. This is 4. Gender is 5. Okay. So here there is only 5. 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's present 6. Why one is missing? We have to identify. Okay. Yeah. So there are 6 from it's starting from 0, right? So there are 6 columns present. Okay. Now save it. Now run this. Now you could see 100 records. It's transferred from flat file source to OLED command. So just verify the records, 100 records present or not. So now you could see 100 records loaded. So now we could see how you can update this, right? For example, I'm just updating email ID national. Okay. Right now I'm just updating blank. So you could see all email address is blank. Now we are going to update this email by using the source input CSV file. Okay, let's begin how we can do this. Stop this. Just open this. Instead, instead of insert command, just put update table name, then put set email equal to question mark where ID is same and unique in source, right? CSV file versus table, then put question mark. Now this should be parameter 0 and this would be parameter 1, correct? So that you need to define here properly. Go columns mapping. So remove this because first name, the email should be the parameter 0 and ID should be the parameter 1, correct? Because that is what we define here, correct? The first question mark, email ID we are updating. So that mapping should be parameter 0. Email ID should be parameter 0 and ID should be parameter 1. Okay. So this one you remove. So email ID parameter 0 and ID should be parameter 1. Okay, we define properly. Now click OK. Save this and run the package. 100 rows got updated. Just go and verify. Now email address updated or not. So all are updated properly. Guys, I hope you understand well. This is the way you have to play around with the OLEDB command. Okay, so if you like, subscribe and also please question me if you need any clarification. Thank you so much for watching.